Welcome to Enchanted Tarot. This is for the sign of Aries for the month of November. It is a general reading. It will not resonate with each and every one of you who are watching. If this does not sound like your story, check your moon sign or your rising sign. Your messages could be there, and if not, simply check back in the following week when I put out a new message for your sign. Let us begin. At the bottom of the deck, we have the community, and so this is the people in your close environment, people you are close to. It can also speak to safety nets, security, support. You, you're questioning somebody's identity within your community. You could be questioning their story or what they're telling you, because what they're showing you probably does not match up with what they're saying, or you feel they're giving you a story. So you're taking a closer look at someone's identity here because you're undecided what they're really up to, where this is going, because it appears here with the mice and the house that it's slowly deteriorating. This could be that it is eating at you inside, wondering about this person, because a house can represent that inner house. I feel like this is a relationship that's trying to stay together, trying to heal, to create more memories. So but there's a history. It's not getting better. I feel like it's deteriorating with the mice, and there have been, with the mice, there's been warning signs. There's a history here of heartbreak. There's a history here of not just heartbreak, but of wanting to get out. So there's been thoughts of leaving this relationship, I feel, at least one time previously, if not more. You feel alone in this relationship. You do have wisdom from the past. You're feeling alone, feeling isolated. That person's identity or story, maybe they gave you a story about wanting to heal the relationship, wanting to move forward with you, but it's just nothing's matching up. You're questioning their story. Looking at the details. You could be given some wisdom. You can be given some wisdom and your information, possibly. And you're looking at the details of that. Maybe you're looking at the details of everything that happened in the past up to the present moment. Maybe what has happened in the past makes you question the current moment or the story. These cards tell me you have the wisdom to get yourself out of this situation. And with this card being in the reverse, it can speak to blindness. Because the swords tell me, and the upright came first, the swords tell me that you have the answer. You already know what you should do. But maybe you're turning a blind eye to it. Maybe you're turning a blind eye to this person's identity, but because you know deep down, it eats at you. You can't make that go away. You try, but you can't. No, yeah, you definitely, you have this information. You're not taking the decision. Maybe there's, in some way, this represents some type of security net for you. You're keeping up appearances in this relationship, and this could have to do with security and money here because of loss. You don't want to lose anything. You know, property, finances. Again, with the tree. See, you're longing to be able to receive news or communication that will transform things in your favor, perhaps. You could be longing or hoping for things to change here, but it's not happening. And you've been given signs. There's a decision here that's pending that you're not making. I feel like with the wolf, you're holding back. And I feel it is because in some way the decision to do or to get out of this situation feels threatening to you somehow. It could be that you don't trust in yourself enough. It could also be that you're not trusting what the other person might do or how they would react. And in that respect, you feel threatened. You're hoping to bring something to life. You fantasize it, maybe about maybe bringing this back to life. Excuse me, that, is part of the turning the blind eye. But deep down, you know. Holding back from moving forward. Missing information, possibly here with the Chariot. Excuse me. There is this flow here that's kind of stagnant, insecure, and perhaps a restlessness that is here. I feel yes. I feel there's going to be sudden movement, a sudden change that will break this flow, or break this, well, what is actually not flowing. Well, there are things flowing, but excuse me, they're not positive. So that what's going to break this energy that you're sitting in, which is full of insecurities, frustrations, feeling threatened. Something happens to break the flow. Something gets stirred up, and maybe a secret can be revealed at this time, or a truth is revealed. There's a shift in the energy. Yep. And somebody could get aggressive here. And I think this is having to do with this wolf. It's why you've been holding back or restraining, or what you've been afraid of, possibly, for someone. With regards to your situation with this person, look at that. Getting a new start. Something is about to shift. Something is getting stirred up. Now, it could have to do with money also. With the fish being there. So, that is what I have for you. A decision is going to be made. Something is going to break this flow of really not a flow, because nothing was really happening here. Just it's a lot of insecurities, frustrations. This is about to change. Something is about to happen, and it could be that this is going to escalate before it evens off. Okay, so something is about to get stirred up between these two people. You have the male and you have the female, and here is the broom. And this is where the change occurs, because the stork is here. That is what I have for you. I thank you for watching, for liking, and for sharing my videos, and for subscribing. Also, I would like to say thank you to everyone who has sent in a donation to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. Many blessings.